Today we are making Korean spicy cucumber salad, crunchy, spicy and refreshing. Trust me, you will want this with every meal. So let's dive in. We are starting with Tokyo cucumbers. Add them into a bowl, pour water and add a spoon of salt. Since we are keeping the skin on, wash them thoroughly. Salt पानी से cleansing अच्छी हो जाती है. Once done, take them out, cut off the top and bottom, then split each into two halves. Now slice diagonally. This is the kind of cut that gives a nice Korean style look and better texture. Just like I'm showing here, this is the thickness we are going for, neither too thin nor too thick. Now take a large strainer and place it over a bowl. Add all the chopped cucumbers into it and sprinkle 1 tablespoon salt. Mix gently and leave it for about 20 to 25 minutes. This step helps draw out all the extra moisture so your salad won't turn soggy later. Meanwhile, take 1 onion, cut off the ends, split it into half and again cut diagonally. Not too thin, just slightly thick slices for crunch. Shift them into a small bowl and pour some water. This step helps remove that sharp raw onion bitterness, making the salad more balanced. Now let's prep the dressing. Take 4 to 5 garlic cloves and 1 dry red chilli. Peel the garlic and finely chop it along with the red chilli. In a bowl, add 1 spoon of the chopped garlic chilli mix, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1.5 tablespoon soy sauce, juice of half a lemon, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Give it all a good mix, and this already smells like Korean street food. Now let's check the cucumbers. You see the bowl below is full of water. That's all the excess moisture we wanted to remove. Just discard the water, no need to rinse the cucumbers, let the salt stay. In a mixing bowl, transfer the cucumbers, add the soaked onions after draining the water. Now pour the spicy dressing over everything and mix really well. Make sure each piece is coated with that gorgeous dressing. It should look glossy red and totally irresistible. For garnish, add some white sesame seeds and black sesame seeds. Mix one final time and just look at this. It's fresh, fiery, full of crunch and that perfect balance of spice, tang and sweetness. Such a simple salad, but it punches way above its weight. Korean recipes are trending for a reason. They're simple, flavor packed and super fun to make. If you like this one, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the Yummy Vibes for more global flavors made easy. See you next time.